Right, here we go. So what would happen if you cross-referenced undervalued companies with the ones which are most owned by hedge funds? Seems an interesting, important thing to do. You've got then institutional investors, a large number of institutional investors, and the fundamental reason to own, which is valuation, not the only one, but a fundamental one to own. So let's have a look. What I've done, however, is I've then also cross-referenced it with my own filtered list, which is based on the valuation of the company's revenue growth, cash flow, dividend yields, consistent outperformance of the market, and also volatility as well. So a whole bunch of other factors I've done, and I'll tell you which ones meet my criteria. So here we are. I'll move myself out of the way. Number of hedge fund holders with ExxonMobil, 71, PE ratio 14. It is on my approved filtered stock list. Micron doesn't make my list, but 83 hedge funds. Either they're right or I am. Time will tell. 84 for Bank of America, not on my approved filtered list. Pfizer, 83, PE of 12. FedEx, also not on my approved list. Now, remember, obviously, a lot of these hedge funds, they could have all sorts of different reasons for owning these things. They might own them for a short period of time or a long period of time. They might be looking for different criteria to me. So don't necessarily read too much into it that they're not on my approved filtered list. And don't treat the hedge funds too harshly that they don't have what I have. They're doing fine. HCA Healthcare, number of hedge fund holders 66, PE ratio of 11, approved filtered list as well. Wells Fargo, not on my list. Then we've got Laboratory Corporation of America. God, that sounds conspiratorial, doesn't it? Number of hedge fund holders 60, PE of 10, not on my approved filtered list. However, Verizon is, and there you go. You see the numbers and the data over there. Thanks a lot. I've done the top 10. Have a look at my campaignforamillion.com for a lot more free resources, including access to my Telegram channel, free videos from me, daily updates on the markets. It's really to educate people. It was a campaign I created to try and educate 1 million people how to invest, all completely for free. There's also internships in there if you're of the younger persuasion, and you get a certificate at the end of it to show the bits you've completed. It includes course materials, all done by me. It was actually based on material that we used to teach my new employees in my asset management company. And then we thought, well, actually, why restrict it to such a small group? Why not broaden it out? It doesn't take anything away from us. And it spreads wealth through spreading the wealth of knowledge. So campaignforamillion.com. Thank you all very much.